If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lenate coming to you today with another video, girl. In today's video, this is a quick weave tutorial. Yes, I said it. I don't think I've ever done a quick weave on my channel, but I decided to do like a flip over quick weave, honey. So this is the hair. This is some raw Burmese curly hair from the brand ULA. So instead of finding your homegirl that sells that raw hair, honey, these companies are starting to offer that raw hair, okay? Honestly, this is a really good hair. So I'm not just saying that just to say it, like just me installing it being tangle free. The curl pattern is beautiful. It's more natural. It's not like that uniform curl pattern. It just feels different. I don't even know how else to explain it. Like, this hair is bomb, and you guys are gonna see I did a quick weave and there was no tangles. Like, it looks like my hair. Let's be all the way 100. Like, what, girl? This is my hair for sure. Okay, so yeah, so just stay tuned and see how I went ahead and installed this hair. It took me about an hour and 30 minutes to moisturize my hair, braid my hair down, and quick weave it in, and then style it, really. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and let's get it. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get started. My hair is shampooed and conditioned. So this is what everything came in the ULA package. It came with a pretty little white bow. Came with some instructions, a wig cap, some clips, some eyelashes, a comb. It came with the 3 bundles. So I had 18, 20, and 22 inches of this raw Burmese curly hair. Like I said, my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. I just use like the Aussie shampoo, as well as the Design Essentials, like the mint and rosemary deep conditioner. I'm obsessed with it. And if my hair is super soft and moisturized, like, y'all see how moisturized my hair is? There's no product on my hair but that shampoo and conditioner. So, yeah, I really thoroughly enjoyed that. And my hair was like washed and then in a ponytail and then twisted up, and then I just let it dry overnight, and here is the next day. So I am braiding out my perimeter, the front, the back, the sides, only because I go to the gym and I want it to be lifted up. Any style that I have, I need my edges out, period, poop. Okay. So yeah, I'm just braiding it out the way, and I probably should have left a little less hair at the front, but like, who cares? I just wanted to look as natural as possible if I wanted to like pull it back. So that was my concept. Yeah, and I'm using that Main Attraction Rosemary growth oil, y'all. The oil is bomb, very much so. When I use it consistently, I see a lot of growth and thickness in my hair. Not even gonna hold you. It's not sponsored. I just wanted to let you guys know that. And yeah, so I braided my hair in 4 like loose little crazy looking cornrows, and I just connected 2 of them together. So I had like 2 braided pieces left. And then I just kind of really just tuck my hair into each other in the cornrows, so that way I can have like a flat base. Okay. I oiled my scalp with that growth oil with the Blue Magic. I oiled it with that just so I don't have any type of like itching under this cap, because I'm going to have a cap for this quick weave, and I just feel like my hair will be itchy under it, you know. So yeah, and then I used the cap that came with, and I just kind of put that over my head, and then like cut the ear holes out, and just really just use some Got to Be Glue hairspray, let that dry, and then I use that y'all know that quick weave like protected bonding thing that kind of just like puts like almost like a clear helmet on your hair, just to prevent any type of glue that could possibly get on your hair. So that's what I utilize in order to kind of mold everything and make everything hard onto my hair for this quick weave, y'all. Yeah, that's really what it's about. Here it is. I know I'm a little further ahead, but here's the hairspray. I'm spraying it. That's the wig cap that came with it, putting it on there, honey. And like I said, cutting those ear tabs off. And yeah, like I said, whenever I am done with the bonding part, I'll be back.
That make you wanna change your scene. ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away another woman.
Okay, so now that everything is dried, I am cutting off that excess cap. Do I prefer a black cap? I probably will prefer a black cap so you don't have anything look like see-through. But my concept was I kind of wanted to look like the color of my scalp, just in case something was revealed. You know what I'm saying? So that was my concept. But I think next time I'm just gonna get the black cap, or I'm gonna utilize a black cap. So now I'm just braiding off the leave out part. That's kind of the part that I want to leave out. Braiding out the way so that nothing nothing gets in the way, and then I actually end up clipping it off. So for some reason it wasn't recording this part, but y'all, this is super easy. I'm just literally putting glue on the tracks. I'm doing one track at a time, but I am not cutting the wefts, guys. I am folding the wefts over, so you're gonna see me folding the wefts over. I am just doing ear to ear, but I'm making sure that I'm going up a little bit, like a curve. Just so it can kind of be more seamless and kind of fall forward, because this is the invisible part. You don't really want them doing left to right until you get to the top to close everything up, but you kind of just want to go with the flow of your head. As you can see, I am not cutting the track, so that is why I am getting to a point, and then I'm putting the glue on the opposite part of the track, so that way I can flip that over and fold it and press it in my scalp, or press it into this wig cap. So that's what you see me doing. And then I'm just going to another track. We just, we tracking it up. I am trying to do the tracks close together, because again, I do remember I have this, I don't want gaps in between. Like I said, next time I am going to do a black cap, so that way I can make this hair a little less full, because it was super full, super duper full. And baby, I love full hair, but I do want it to look natural still. It still look natural because of the curl pattern, but I just do a little less hair. So that is the method I will use next time. But like I said, I'm folding these tracks over until I get to the front top. That's when you're going to have to cut them, because you're going to need to kind of close that gap up. So yeah, I'm just doing from, U shape, U shape, U shape. And then when I get to the top, I'm going to start doing left to right until I'm stuck with a little box in between. And those are the parts where I'm going to cut the track.
That make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me, would you see what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
All right, now we are stuck with that little box. So you can do another track from left to right. As you guys can see, I did cut those tracks, and then the pieces that are going to be So those are going horizontal. So the pieces that are going to go vertical is the little piece to the top. You probably need about 6 or 7 like small pieces, and then you're just literally going to close it up. It doesn't matter which direction you go. I said I want to like to wear my hair mostly like on the left side, so I did start basically on the left and put a lot of pieces going towards the left, and then the piece that you want to close off, you want to make sure that goes in the opposite direction, so that way you don't have any type of like gaps in between. So that is what I'm doing. I'm going to the last piece, honey. And then, like I said, make sure you are like blow drying the pieces, so that way everything is kind of dried and intact. And yeah, girl, we are drying it up. You don't see no gap is left behind. Yeah, let's talk about it. Let's really talk about it, honey. I could put my hair up. That's what I really wanted. You see a little bit, little parts right there. But I mean, girl, I can always stick a little trap right there if I really wanted to, but I'm not tripping because I have enough hair left over, so we are good to go. Look how natural that is. Even if I still need to cut a little bit of, straggly pieces in the back, I get to that later. But I wanted y'all to see how everything looked done, brushed back. Very, very natural, honey. Very, very natural. Now my front of my hair is pretty straight, and I kind of want to keep it that straight because my natural curl pattern is tighter than that, and I want it to be a flawless blend. That was my whole concept, right? But I ended up tying it down with the band that it gave me and then spraying it with water after doing my makeup because I was about to go out to dinner. And yeah, so I sprayed it with some water mixed with some conditioner, spray that, and then I basically started detangling. Then I placed some olive oil eco style gel on it, just to kind of define the curls as well. And yeah, I think it turned out really, really good. Now, the more curl, the more gel you put on, just know like the flatter everything's going to be and the more defined it's going to be, and the less it's going to be a little bit more bushy. I tried both methods at this point, and I kind of like it without all the gel because I just feel like it's a little too defined, and I kind of want it to be a little bit more natural. So I will use like something without really like a heavy hold, more so like a cream. Those type of products work best with this hair, in my opinion, guys. Like my opinion. So I did use like the Aussie, I think it's like the Aussie like leave-in conditioner or something like that. And I used that on the hair. Like I said, I use the Eco Style gel, but it's not my favorite to use on this hair. It's just not, because maybe because this is like raw hair, it's a little different. It reacts differently. So yeah, and I'm just kind of like doing little ringlets in the front, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to use the Tymo blow dry with the diffuser attachment, and I'm just going to use that to diffuse. Now, if you don't know, diffusers are for curly hair, to dry curly hair, to make sure everything's intact. Or if you got some time, baby girl, go ahead and air dry, because that's always the best. So that's pretty much it, y'all. If you have any questions, make sure you comment them below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and just continue watching the video. Love y'all. Bye.
Baby, you don't know. Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do.
Alright, y'all, so this is how everything turned out. I have thoroughly enjoyed this hair so far. So yeah, I'm really happy about it. Now, I didn't really braid my perimeter down because I didn't really want to keep this quick leave-in for that long. I say a week and a half maybe, and then I'll be taking this out for something else. Okay, so yeah, like I said, everything about this hair will be in the description box below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.